Hello friends, in this video we are having a triangle ABC of side. This is equal to A, this is equal to B, and this is equal to C. These are the perpendicular AF. AF is the perpendicular on CB. BD is perpendicular on AC, and CE is perpendicular on AB. We have to find the area of this triangle, and the length of these sides are given. It means perpendicular length of the perpendicular are given to us. All are the perpendicular on the three sides are given to us. So that it means we can find the area can be obtained either of the side into perpendicular by 2, because this will be the base for this perpendicular, this will be the base for this perpendicular, and this will be the base for this perpendicular. So that area of the triangle ABC, this can be written as 1 by 2 base into height. Whatever the base you can take, according to that base you have to choose the perpendicular. So that it can be written as, suppose we are taking 1 by 2 into base is equal to this AE, AB into height is equal to CE. That is 1 by 2 C, this is length C, this is CE, CE is equal to 12. Now question is, we are not having the sides, length of the side is not known to us. Our aim should be, in order to find either of the side, then we can multiply that side by the perpendicular and half it will give us the value of the area. Now how can we find the area? For this, we are, because area is same, so that we can say that this base, it means AE into the perpendicular DB, this will be equal to AB into its perpendicular CE, this will also be equal to CB into its perpendicular AF. It means the area can be obtained A into CB, A into AF. AF is equal to 10. A into AF is equal to B into BD. B into BD. Small b. This side is B into BD. BD is given to us 15. Can be written as C, this is the base, C into CE. That is C is 12. Okay? Because either of the side can be taken, multiplied by the perpendicular by 2 will be the area. So that these are the AF is equal to what? AF is equal to 10. So that this is the relation between these sides. These three sides are 10 times A equal to 15 times B equal to C, 12 times C. Let us suppose this is LCM of these. Let us take LCM, least common factor. This is 15, 10 and 12. Let us take the LCM of this. This will be 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 15 itself remains same. Then 3 5 remains same, 5 3s are 15 and 2s are 6, then 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 2 remains 16. It will be equal to 60. LCM will be equal to 60. Let us suppose this all the things are equal to 60k. It means A into 10 is equal to 60k, or B into 15 is equal to 60k. A constant has been taken, and C is equal to C into 12 is equal to 16k. 60k, sorry. So that it means we can write in place of A is equal to 6 times k, and B is equal to 4 times k, and C is equal to 5 times k. These are the value can be written of the sides. Formula for finding the area is also can be obtained by using the formula. Area of the formula formula of the area is for area is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C whole root. This is also known as the formula for area of a triangle with a side ABC. From here we can find the area, that is capital A. It means area will be equal to S. S equal to this addition of these three, 6k plus 4k plus 5k. This is 15k. 15k by 2 will be the S. So S into, here S will be equal to 15 by 2 times k. It means area. Now I am using the formula over here because no space is there. So that it means area of the triangle this will be equal to root of S. S is equal to 15 by 2k into S minus A. It means 15 by 2k minus A. A is equal to 6k into S minus B. 15 by 2k minus B. B is equal to what? 4k into S minus 2 into k minus C. C is equal to 5k. In this way, we will have the formula for S is equal to root of 15 times k into this 3 times k by 2 into 7 times k by 2 into 5 times k by 2. This is the formula for area of a triangle ABC. It means this will become, it should be noted by you, this 15, 5, 3 the 15 is called, and this is also 15. It means 15 can be taken out of under root, and k to the power 4, it means k square can be taken out of the root, and 2 square be taken out of the root. Only remaining thing is root of 7. It means this will be the area 15k square root 7 of the triangle. Now our aim will be what? To find the sides. Okay, to find the, we have to find sides also. Okay, we will do it later. And now we have to find the value of k. How we can find the value of k? Using the same formula. That area can also be written as is also equal to 1 by 2 a into 10, or we can say b. 1 by 2 b into 15. A is this side, this is equal to 10. AF is equal to 10. So that, or we can say b, we can also take, you can take b also. This is b, this is b, this side. B into this BD is equal to 15. This can be also taken. Okay. This is nothing but equal to what? 15 times k square root of 7 by 4. Okay. A was equal to 6 times K. Or we can say 6 times K into 10 by 2 is equal to 15 times K square root of 7 by 4. Cancel. All the things can be cancelled. This is 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 15, and this 3 will get cancelled with this. This can be 5 threes are 15, 5 twos are 10. Okay, that this 3 get cancelled, and we'll get here 4 twos are 8. K cancel. It means root of 7K will be equal to 8. It means simple 8. It means K will be equal to 8 upon root 7. Eight upon root 7 is the value of K. If A upon root 7 is the value of K, now we can find the area as well as sides of the triangle. Here we can write it also the sides. Now value of K is known to us, then we can find area as well as sides. Now area, we are going to rub it this. Area will be 1 by 2 area is 1 by 2 A into 10. A was equal to 6 times K is equal to 1 by 2 into 6K into 10. Okay, the value of K is root of into 6 into 8 root of 7 into 10. This will be equal to, we can cut it this. This is 3. 3 8 is 24 into 10. That will be equal to 240. Root of 7 will be the area. You can also check it with the use of another relation, that area is also equal to 1 by 2 B into sides of B into dB. dB is equal to 15. Okay. Now B is equal to 5 times K. B was equal to 5 times K. B was equal to 4 times K. So that B was equal to 4 times K. And the value of K is root of 8 by 7. So that we can write it as equal to 1 by 2 into 4 times K into 15. The value of K was 8 root 15. 8 root 7. So that we are going to putting this value 4 into 8 upon root of 7 into 15. This get cancelled over here. This is 16 into 50 root 2. 16 into 50 root 7, sorry. And this is further equal to 240 root of 7. Same is the condition with another here. And the length A will be equal to what? A will be equal to, that was equal to A was equal to 6 times K. That is 6 into 8 upon root 2. That is 48 root 2 or root 7. B will be equal to 4 times K, that is 4 into root 4 into 8 upon root 7, that is 32 root 7, and C will be equal to what? That was equal to 5 times K. 5 times K, and K was equal to 5 into root 8 upon root 7, that is 40 root 7. 40 upon root 7. So these arms can also be found out. This is C. The length of this will be equal to 40 root 7. This is A and this is B. The length of this side will be equal to 32 upon root of 7. And this is A. The length of this side will be equal to 6 gigs. 48, this 48 root of 7. 48 upon root of 7. It means we can find the sides as well as area. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe me. Thank you. Good night. Good luck for you.